Greetings, fellow knowledge seekers. I am your host, Bob, and I am thrilled to embark on this incredible journey of discovery with you. Welcome to Bob's Intriguing Facts, the YouTube channel that will broaden your horizons and challenge everything you thought you knew. My passion for unraveling the mysteries of our world knows no bounds. Together, we will delve deep into the annals of history, dive headfirst into the wonders of science, and explore the captivating realm of pop culture. Brace yourself for a whirlwind of fascinating, little-known facts that are bound to leave you amazed. In each video, we'll embark on a new adventure, exploring a different topic that piques our curiosity. From ancient civilizations to the secrets of the cosmos, from mind-boggling scientific breakthroughs to the hidden tales behind our favorite movies, Bob's Intriguing Facts is your one-stop destination for all things captivating and informative. Prepare to have your mind blown as we unearth quirky factoids and untold stories that will make you see the world in a whole new light. Let me be your guide through the labyrinth of knowledge as I weave together engaging narratives, thought-provoking insights, and mind-bending revelations. Whether you're a history buff yearning for more tales from the past, a science enthusiast thirsty for mind-blowing discoveries, or a pop culture aficionado seeking the hidden gems behind your favorite movies and music, this channel is tailor-made for you. Each episode promises a fresh perspective and an opportunity to expand your understanding of the world around us. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, cozy up in your favorite spot, and get ready to immerse yourself in the fascinating world of Bob's Intriguing Facts. Subscribe now and join me on this thrilling adventure of knowledge and wonder. Together, we will unveil the unknown and quench our insatiable thirst for the extraordinary.